This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 12th of August. I'm Michael Groff. A very dry and increasingly hot week ahead with temperatures soaring up into excessive heat criteria for the next few days before gradually lowering as we head toward the weekend. What about monsoon moisture? When might we see that return, if at all? Let's talk about it. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 105 degrees the high in the valley, 83 was the low, and that's exactly where we should be for this time of year. And outside right now here at just after 8 a.m., we've got partly cloudy skies out there, 90 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 56, humidity 32%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there right now, 76, the cool spot at Goldfield. It's in the upper 70s in a couple of locations, but most of us are in the mid 80s to about 90. The upper air look, our normal summertime subtropical ridge that hangs around the Four Corners and brings us our monsoon flow that has been pushed well off to the south and east. It's over the southern plains and into the deep south. And troughing is becoming the dominant weather feature out here in the west, and that's brought about a dry westerly flow here into Arizona. The watch warning map, well, with the moisture gone, temperatures are rising, and excessive heat watch is in effect from Tuesday morning through Thursday afternoon. That'll probably be upgraded to an excessive heat warning, maybe even by the time many of you watch this. Elsewhere, heat advisories and excessive heat warnings with our summertime ridge over there in the southern plains and the deep south. Severe weather outlook for today. We've got the enhanced risk. That's level 3 out of 5 for places like the Quad Cities today and through central Illinois. The slight risk for Chicago and Indianapolis and a marginal risk for a good portion of the plains and the Midwest. Here's the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Metro Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, not a whole lot either. Maybe a quarter of an inch in the southeastern corner of our state. But for the most part, conditions will remain dry as we detail that now. Checking the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Well, the upper look looks kind of unusual for mid-August. We've got an energized westerly flow north of the state, a series of short waves and troughs passing by, keeping our flow aloft westerly here. So down at the surface, that's sunny skies, dry conditions. Humidity levels will be lowering. Highs this afternoon, 103 to 106. Tonight, clear skies, somewhat lower humidity, so lows upper 70s to mid 80s. And then tomorrow, sunny skies, highs 106 to 110. Wednesday, sunny and hot. Highs 111 to 114. The air will be dry. Wednesday night and into Thursday, the GFS has shown a little bit of moisture seeping into eastern Arizona. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms may be possible there. But overall, conditions here in the valley are going to stay dry. Partly cloudy skies, about the best we can hope for, and highs still above 110 degrees. Friday, we lower temperatures just a little bit as the upper heights are dampened again. And high temperatures still, though, at least 106 to 109. Then over the weekend, temperatures will cool off a few more degrees, but conditions will remain relatively dry. Isolated showers and thunderstorms maybe in east, central, and southeast Arizona, and that's about it. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Monday, the 19th. Still have a ridge over the Rio Grande, a southerly flow in place there. Maybe an isolated shower or storm over the mountains, eastern Arizona, but nothing for us here in Phoenix. And then going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period. Wednesday, the 21st, a 597 ridge is shown to be sitting right over the Four Corners. You would think that's pretty ideal for bringing in monsoon moisture, but with such a strong ridge and warm air in the mid-levels, that looks like at least a conditionally stable environment. And so maybe a little bit of moisture around, but that looks kind of hot. Temperatures would be well above normal if that verifies. All right, let's go out to the temperatures through the period off of the European ensemble. And high temperatures, warm this week, that's for sure. Highs 110 plus for several days. And then we will see temps lower at least a little bit into the weekend. And next week, still a bit of a question mark. If we can at least get a little moisture back in here, that might help out a bit. But it has been a very lackluster monsoon thus far. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have yourselves a great Monday.